Okay, welcome back to class. Today we'll be talking about NodeJs module combination. We're going to be talking about NodeJs module combination. So let's create a new. You should know how to do this now. NodeJs module combination. NodeJs module combination. .js. Let's save this. Okay, so can I rename? Because I'm just trying to look at. Let's rename and put hyphens attached. Node.js mcomb. Look at it, mcomb. I think this is better so that when we are typing it. Now, first let's clear this first. Clear. Okay, now let's say we have var http equal to require http. We have this first, then we have var url equals to require. What are we requiring? We are requiring our URL. Then we also call our var fs. What is fs standing for? It's standing as file system. It's standing in as file system, so we're going to be requiring our file system also. fs, okay? So we have all of these being required. Then let's go. Let's make our connection. http.create server. Can you see create server? Then what function now? Function required and what? Response. You close the bracket, then you open a curly bracket. What will be in between? Var q equal to url dot passe. Then we have require. Then dot url. And we have it to be true. Then we go on to say we have var file name. We're making a call now. File name equal to in quote. Let's leave it as this, in quotes. Then plus, we have q dot path name. Then we go to the callback function. We're still going to talk more about it. fs.read file. Can you see it? Read file, that's a callback function. Read file. What is it reading? The file name. Then onto what function now? Function is going to display error or the data. Which is the callback function. Then we have a bracket. What will be in it? If error, so I want to put the error statement now, but eventually an error pops up. If error, then it should respond with write add what precisely now? 404. If it doesn't respond with write F404, it should respond with in quotes now content type, then we have colon. What would the content type be? Text and HTML, text and HTML. Then we close the brackets there. If error then we come down to say we have return. Then we also return. What is a return? What is it to return? Return dot response dot end. 404 to 200. They are 200 means okay. When it displays 200, when it displays 404, you know it's an error. So it's going to display 404, then error. Response return dot response dot end. So what would it display? File not found. File not found. So if that be the case, then we go to the next line to say, okay, excluding that error now under the read file. So we have response dot write add 200. Then we have open new bracket. We have in quotes content type, then another one, it will respond with text / HTML, then we have the bracket closed, then we go to the next line, respond dot write what data, responding with data. Then what do we have? Data, let me see. Then we have respond dot end. Okay, and this should be it. Okay, so let's save this. Let's see the brackets. The bracket looks okay. I think there is a missing bracket, so let's trace it out. Okay, return. Okay, return response. Okay, return response end. So let's save this now. Yeah, let's go to our terminal. Let's run and let's see what it will give us. NodeJs combo dot JavaScript. Okay, now I go to this. I would run this. Let's refresh this. localhost. Let's refresh this. Okay. Let's put slash science.html, a path name. This is a path name. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Okay, let's go and create. Let's create some HTML page. Let's create some HTML page. Let's see science.html. Let's see marketing.html. Okay, science. Let's see, this is labeled as science. H1. This is the science department. Let's just copy this. Marketing, so we can, marketing. So let's put this. Okay. So let's come here again and say, since we have a path now, we say dash science.html. It should be able to call forth. Let me see. No, it should return this. Let me remove this. Let's see. Okay, I don't know, it's not popping up. Let me see. File name. Okay, path name. Read file function, error data. If error correspond with this. Okay. Okay, we have the callback function already. Okay. Content type. You should be able to call the function. This is the data element. NodeJs, MC. Okay, we run this terminal, new terminal. Okay, it's running clean and clear. No, okay, the vacuum. Let's look at it. Let's see. Okay, I got vacuum. Let me pick this. Let me pick this and add it here. Since I'm making a call on that. Node. Okay, it's better off showing. Let's start with this first localhost. So let me see what the error is. Address is not defined, okay? This is our URL. Okay, let's run this again so we can get prepared for the next page, which is NodeJs. mcomb.js. Yeah. Let's see what error it's displaying. Four. Okay, what did I use in the last one? Okay. outline. Okay. Okay. I have not saved. Save. Okay. Okay. Let me see. This is science HTML. Okay. I think we are exiting the class now. We're going to continue from here in our next class. We're going to link them properly in our next class.